Hi everyone, Gelb here. So a few weeks ago, three of us took a SaaS product idea from zero to revenue in a week, and we live streamed the whole thing, and we welcomed about 40, a little over 40 guests on to have conversations, provide advice, inspiration, founders, investors, experts from all over the world, and we organized this whole thing in less than a month. And in order to do that, we used Coda to help organize our thoughts, give us single points of truth so we weren't stepping on each other's toes, and then letting us track our progress. And so I want to show you three things that we built using our kind of Coda for event planning. The full list of things and tutorials on what it is that we built and how you could co-opt our template can be found in our blog post. But I wanted to super quickly show you how we did this. So a couple things. One is Coda's ability to insert formulas into normal text. I know that sounds silly, but Coda is this beautiful hybrid baby between like databases, documents, spreadsheets, and they make it like really easy and simple to use. So you'll see like sponsors and guests right on the screen here, and you'll see little gray squares. So those gray squares are actually referencing actual data that is being populated in a table. So right away we could see how well our sponsorships were doing and how well our guest planning was doing. And so that's the first cool thing. The second cool thing is the way that we tracked our progress. So the same table in Coda can be viewed in a whole bunch of different ways. So the same data can be viewed as a sentence, as you see there, as a Kanban. So this helped us like try and prioritize which guests or how the guests were moving along our pipeline. And then it can also be shown as graphs. So the third interesting thing that I'll show you quickly is the way that you showcase progress in a graph. So for sponsorship, we wanted a way to quickly see how many people had we reached out to how many people had we converted, and where we were looking. So we used a bar graph that segmented the type of sponsor that we were looking out for by color, and then organizing it by its status or its progress through our funnel. So aside from that, there are a ton of other things that we use. You can see along the left-hand side all sorts of little goodies there. So have a read, check out our template, make a copy of it, play around with it, change it, and see if it can help you planning your next event.